Hello, everyone, and welcome to From Likes to Leads. This is a social media masterclass series of videos where we will talk through the importance of utilizing social media for your business. We'll talk about building relationships with potential clients, nurturing leads and past clients, and creating content with ease. If you're new to the channel, my name is Seavey Hicks. I work as a content and social media manager. I'm also an actor, a singer, and I do voiceover work for podcasts, corporate recordings, and other various projects. So if you are ready to utilize social media as a free marketing tool for your business, please stick around to all 12 I lost count. Videos in this series. You can just play them one right after the other. I will leave a link to the entire playlist below so that you can then watch it as a resource as you need it and share with others who you think would find this information helpful. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into episode number 1, where we're going to talk about why short form video is so engaging.